The HyperX Cloud Alpha's low volume often results from its 65 ohm impedance. This means it requires more power than typical headphones. If your device, like a smartphone or laptop without a dedicated amp, has weak audio output, the headset won't reach full volume. This is compounded if audio levels aren't configured correctly in your operating system or the HyperX Ingenuity app. Additionally, outdated drivers can limit audio output. First, maximize your system volume to ensure the headset receives the strongest possible signal. Next, install or update the HyperX Ingenuity app to the latest version, at least v2.1 or later, for optimal performance. Within the app, experiment with the equalizer settings by boosting the bass and mid-range frequencies slightly, around +4 to +6 decibels. If using a wired connection, consider adding an external USB sound card or amplifier to provide more power to the headset. For surround sound, enable DTS Headphone X in the Ingenuity app, but make sure it's properly calibrated for the best results. Finally, ensure your audio drivers, whether Realtek or HyperX, are up to date for optimal performance. If issues persist, consider rolling back the firmware to a previous version, such as v1.1.8. But first, check the HyperX website and forums for the correct version and compatibility with your model.